Think and answer. There are 3 light bulbs in your attic. All of them are turned off and their switches are installed downstairs. You can play with the switches as much as you want, and after that, you can visit the attic above just once. How can you find out which switch to which bulb corresponds? And the answer is, you turn the first switch on, then wait for 30 minutes and turn the second switch on. After that, go upstairs and examine the bulbs. The one which is turned off corresponds to the third switch. Here's how. The one which is turned on and is still cold corresponds to the second switch as it was just turned on. The one which is turned on and is hot corresponds to the first switch as it was on for some time. And the one that was not turned on and the bulb is off is obvious match. Think and answer. In 1972, there was a chess game between 2 famous players. One of them lost the game without moving any pieces. How? Let me repeat it. In 1972, there was a chess game between 2 famous players. One of them lost the game without moving any pieces. How? And the answer is, it was the game in 1972 between Bobby Fischer and Boris Spassky, when Bobby Fischer's clock ran out of time. Here's how. Fischer himself even did not appear for the game due to his protest against the cameras installed in the playing hall. Think and answer. One night, a king and a queen stayed in a hotel. On the next day, 3 people checked out. Who was the third person? Let me repeat it. One night, a king and a queen stayed in a hotel. On the next day, 3 people checked out. Who was the third person? And the answer is, the night. Here's how. The puzzle reads as one night, a king and a queen stayed in a hotel. Thus, the third person was the knight. Think and answer. Wordplay. Remove 2 from 5 and get 4. Let me repeat it. Wordplay. Remove 2 from 5 and get 4. And the answer is, remove 2 letters, F and E, from the word 5. Here's how. Removing 2 letters, F and E, and you will be getting get IV, which is 4 in Roman numerals.